We might have needed a COVID test to get in, but I need a pregnancy test to leave.
I want a hot dog real bad. We're taking the dog.
I did so good, and then I just blew it. I forgot what segment I was on for a second there.
We'll fix it in post.
Careful now. There's a tree right there, too.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna run into it.
Reese Witherspoon's mom! Oh, okay. Mike check. Mike check. Welcome to Leapers Fort Distilleries.
You gonna count me down or just
1, 2, 3, 10. Welcome to Franklin, Tennessee!
I'm still hungry, and Biscuit Love is here.
Nothing says upscale like eating. I think I could do better than that.
Just go away. Please don't pull my skirt.
Oh, geez. Before exploring,
For anyone on a budget. You rich?
so we got a guy who's gonna drive a car and it's fancy. So, and then we're gonna eat later. Dining activity, let's go. That was good.
So what you eating, buddy?
Mixed nuts.
I'm allergic to walnuts, and I eat them anyway. That's why my throat's starting to close up.
Okay. Welcome to Franklin, center of town, and then we're gonna go do other stuff. What is that noise? No!
Luxury. It was put on this earth to marry Nick Jonas, and you could not tell me otherwise. I was ordained through Christ to be married to Nick Jonas.
and stop and be like, yeah.
Like flowers.
Oh my god, my husband's calling me.
Only the way the Jets. That whole sentence.
Just like only the.
What is wrong with you? Only the way.
Not a week. There's no better place than Tennessee to drink alcohol.
I like it, but I don't know as much as you do.
And then we are going to start this show. Cool. Let me do that over again.